Hey, today's wig is brought to you by HairSoFlyShop. I'll be sure to leave the link below to this wig and also their direct store. I had this wig for a while now and I had it just sitting in the box because I just didn't know what to do with it. So if you're like me and you have this wig and you just like, it's not what I expected, then stay tuned. I tried my best to change up this wig a bit and style it really nice. So I hope you like. The brand of this wig is It's A Wig. I have in the style Deep Ocean in the color 1B. So when I show you the front of the wig, the first thing you will notice is the baby hairs, the thick, long baby hairs. Ugh. So this wig comes with about 2 inches of parting space. Behind that parting space, you get 2 combs in the front. You also get another comb in the back with your adjustable straps. And all around is lace. So you get like 360 lace that you will have to cut. And the lace is Swiss lace. This is how the wig comes straight out of the package. I did not touch the curls yet or anything. This is how it comes. That's how much parting space you get. Like I said before, to me it's about 2 inches, maybe 2.5 inches, but to me 2 inches. With this wig, I noticed that on the model you could do a lot of styles with it, especially a lot of elegant styles. I went ahead and cut the lace off this wig. Now I'm just going to go in and pluck out some of those baby hairs because it is just way too thick for my liking. Right here is pretty much my end results on this wig, and I am happy that I finally took this wig out the box and tried to style it to my liking and did something with it. At first when I got it, I was just like, too much work, all the baby hairs, but I found time today to do it, you guys. So yeah, the texture of this wig is silky, but it kind of have this light coarse yaki feeling to it. As for the density is on the low side, but I actually really like it with this wig. The curls is really nice. I wouldn't recommend it for every day, but you know, it's one of those glam look, you know what I mean? It's really cute. The length of this wig on me, not stretched out, I would say is about 16 inches, 16 to 14 maybe. The size on this wig is big head friendly. The cap does stretch, but if you have a small head, just crisscross the adjustable straps. And as for, oh yeah, tangling, I did get some snags here and there, but nothing too major. And shedding, I did get shedding, but I did do a lot of plucking to that hairline. So hopefully over time that does stop. I'll see you guys on the next video. Later, you guys.